que les decía ha protagonizado toda la saga de Maze Runner. Se viene una Maze Runner para 2018, pero acá es Asesino, Misión, Venganza con Michael Keaton. Lo vemos.
A ver.
Let's talk about that day on the beach.
Will you marry me?
Dylan, your character Mitch is devastated by the loss of his girlfriend in a terrorist attack.
Yeah.
What would you have done if you had been in that situation?
Oh, me? Man, I would have crumbled, you know, what any other person would have done.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, that'd be something that lives with you forever. That'd be something that's hard to get over. Not necessarily sure I'd do what Mitch does, you know.
Let's talk about revenge.
Yeah.
What would you do to get revenge on someone?
Oh, man, I don't know. I don't know. I think it's as much as that's your instinct after something like this happens, you know, and I feel like Mitch kind of learns this along the way, and that was part of the arc for him. But I feel like eventually you have to learn that, you know, no kind of revenge is gonna take that pain away.
And like Mitch, when was the last time you have your heart broken? If you have, in any time.
My heart broken?
Yes. Like Mitch.
When was the last time I had my heart broken? I don't think, I don't know, probably in high school, you know? I think when we all do.
Well, you're fortunately.
Yeah, exactly. I'm very fortunate.
How was the experience to work with Michael Keaton?
Michael's the greatest guy. You know, he's really fun to work with. He's really relaxed and really smart, and you know, does his homework and really professional. You know.
During the film, we can see you fighting with everybody.
Yeah.
How did you manage to get so physically fit for that scenes?
I had a trainer who was
I imagine.
dragging me and forcing me into the gym twice a day for 8 weeks. And during the film too, and I had to eat like 6 or 7 times a day, as many times as I could.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thanks.